this is the stay for the next 2 days in Niagara for us, and the view from here is so nice, and it was a really good room that we got. And the mist in the air that you are seeing here in the left corner is from the Niagara Falls, and I should say morning view is really awesome from the room. Hello all, welcome back to me, Vasu. Today we are here at Niagara Falls. Today's video is a special video because it's my husband's birthday and we are celebrating in the Niagara. The Niagara Falls State Park is an entry point to explore the beauty of Niagara Falls, and today our destination is made of mist. So without any delay, do follow me and feel the blow mist of Niagara Falls. Here we are taking tickets for the Maid of the Mist, but you can also take tickets for the observation deck and the elevator ride. So once we take the tickets, this is the observation deck, and when we come down, it is for the Maid of Mist. This is the first look of Niagara Falls in our life, and we were so mesmerized with the beauty of the falls. So excited to enjoy the boat ride and see Niagara Falls with a close look.
We are currently descending the distance of 200 feet at a rate of 500 feet per minute. Enjoy.
Thank you. Finally reached the entry point for the Maid of the Mist.
I am in love with it.
Varish, how about you? This is the Rainbow Bridge, which will connect the two countries, Canada and USA, and you can travel to USA and Canada also from this. And this is the second bridge. The first bridge was called as the Honeymoon Bridge, but it has been collapsed because of the ice jam in the river, and then the Rainbow Bridge was constructed. And as we go forward, we have to collect our ponchos here to make sure that we are not getting wet. And this is where our tickets are being checked, and we have to drop them in the box. Varish, we are all set for the ride now. For the ship to come. Once they off board, then we'll go. Before I give you the experience of the Maid of the Mist boat ride, you should know that Niagara Falls is a group of 3 falls: American, Bridal and the Horseshoe Falls. The Maid of Mist will cross the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and the Horseshoe Falls, where Horseshoe Falls is the biggest fall. Varish, show me your face! How are you feeling, Varish?
Hola, hola, hola.
Now let's have the fun of the mist. The small part is the Bridal Veil Falls, where we have to go for the Cave of Winds. And now we are going to the biggest waterfall of these 3, which is the Horseshoe Fall.
Just peacefully sitting. Look at that one.
It is super, na?
Look at my mask of water. Look at the line. Look at the line of water there. Look.
Yeah.
That's water and covered. Daddy is there, no?
we are done with the boat
We
ride
hope
now.
you enjoyed your journey to the heart of this natural wonder. Your rain poncho with you. Please deposit it into one of the recycling bins located on shore. Thank you. We hope you continue to enjoy exploring the wonder of Niagara Falls and all its surroundings. Please visit us again here on the Maid of the Mist.
Varish! Babe!
Taking water from my clothes.
Thanks for such a good ride for us. Bye. For our boat ride, we had very less people and we enjoyed the complete boat ride running here and there. But see the lines here, now they are very high.
Where are we going now? Chalo, observation deck.
But then we went towards the crow's nest first. This is a staircase where we climb a series of steps and we can view the Niagara Falls a little bit closer.
Dilip!
We took a lot of pics here and we waited if we can see the rainbow, but we were not able to enjoy the rainbow in the Maid of Mist. Finally, we are done with our Maid of Mist. And now we are going to the observation deck. The buildings and all that you're seeing on the right side is Canada. Once you see Niagara Falls with a closer look, you will always feel like seeing it again and again. And you can come here to the observation deck, keep a coin, and then you can watch it again in a closer look. Let's go check out the Canada side, how it looks. There you can see their cruise ships, which is the starting point for their rides. And this is the top view of our Maid of Mist ride from the observation deck. So day 1 we have covered the Maid of Mist and then we went towards the store to buy some souvenirs, and this is what I bought from there. This is a special attraction of the store because it's the original wheel that is used in Maid of the Mist 1. I hope you enjoyed this video and the Maid of Mist ride as well. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu.